Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be showing you how to make moringa leaf powder from scratch. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep watching. To make the moringa leaves powder, of course you're going to be needing fresh and clean moringa leaves. Moringa leaves can help with collagen production, it can help fight wrinkles, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties. So trust me, it has lots and lots of benefits. Next, you're going to be needing a tray or a pan. This is what we're going to be spreading the leaves on. So now we're going to just spread the leaves well on the tray or on the pan. Make sure your pan or tray is clean. Now just spread it out on the tray. Be sure not to heap the leaves up too much so that they can have enough space. Now we're going to take this out to the sun and sun dry it until you have a very dry moringa leaf. It could take a day or two to be completely dried depending on the weather. Now this is what my moringa leaves look like after 2 days of consistently putting it out in the sun. It is completely dried, and how you know it's dried is that it has this crunch. You can easily crush it with your hands at this point. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend this in my blender and bring it back. I'm done blending it now. I'll just transfer it into a bowl so that you can see what it looks like after blending. I blended it to be very smooth as possible. Now as you can see, this is what it is looking like. It's already looking very good, but we still need a smoother powder. This is not, as you can still see some of the sticks of the moringa leaves. So at this point, what we're going to do is to sieve it so that we can have a fine and smooth powder. So you just need your sieve to do this. So I'll basically just scoop some of the moringa powder into the sieve and then sieve it. I'll do that until I exhaust the entire moringa powder. As you can see, after sieving, look at what we have here. These are the moringa sticks that we're not able to crush very well. So that's what we are getting rid of. If you're enjoying this video already, please make sure that you hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Trust me, you will enjoy being here. This is what our moringa powder is looking like after the first round of sieving. As you can see, it looks a lot more smoother, but we need an even smoother powder. So I'm going to go again and sieve the powder another time so that we can have a smoother powder. If yours is smooth after one round of sieving, then there is no need to sieve again. After sieving about 3 times, this is what my moringa powder is looking like. As you can see, we have a very smooth and fine powder. I'm going to be using this moringa powder to make a lot of skin and hair care products in my subsequent videos, so make sure you stick around this channel. Now if you found this video helpful one way or the other, or you enjoyed watching it, please make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more amazing content like this. Bye.